got the skunk off the boat.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's how we do it.
She gonna make the cut too.
Yes.
About 10.5 inches. Yeah, they catching them quiet. I don't want to say nothing, just be like, Chris, can you get that off my hook? I'm back here stumbling trying to find my daggone bait.
You know, I was just gonna wait on you. I knew you'll look up sooner or later.
I'm dropping right down there in them too. Ooh, I love it when I see it like that. Ooh, come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Ooh, that's a good fish too. She gonna make the cut. Wait, think she gonna make it? She gonna make it? Oh, I think she gonna make it.
Oh yeah, she gonna make it.
No doubt about this one. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Stop falling, stop falling, stop falling, stop falling. Oh, don't pull it out. That's what she said.
Not now, not now.
Don't pull out, don't pull out. I got to, baby, otherwise I'm gonna get you pregnant. Harvey, I'm over here trying not to get emotional.
Oh no, you need the pillow.
I'm gonna need my pillow, I can already tell. See, that's what I mean. He be killing me.
Oh.
Go right there. Oh yeah, that's big old. And you got a what? The 1/32 ounce jig on it?
I'm gonna take them off. You make the cut too, look like.
She gonna make the cut too.
Yeah.
She's not going to the Ogletree kitchen.
They cut makers today.
There you go.
He said they cut makers today.
Say what now?
They gonna make the cut. They cut makers. They all make the team today. There we go. Oh, a good fish too.
Lord have mercy, what are you doing, man? What are you doing?
You might be missing bites. It's just a real faint little, you know, little, like I said, hook sets are free.
Yeah, I know.
They free, but they pay off. You got to set the hook.
I'm in there on them.
Where you at? That's you right there.
I'm gonna figure this thing out, no word.
That's what you get for chasing. That's what you get for chasing. Punk. Oh, wee. I shouldn't have called her punk.
Shouldn't have called her punk.
She's still growing, folks. She's still growing.
Shouldn't have called her punk. Wow. Look at that. Give me a skill.
Taste the rainbow.
Oh my God.
Taste the rainbow.
Let me downside this thing. There we go.
Go that. Put it. Make sure you put a split shot on there though.
Okay.
Look at that hook set right there. Right in the roof of the mouth. She wasn't going nowhere. Put her back in the bucket. get him? Nope. My bell opened up on me.
Now stuff. Ah.
Well.
God. Why I have to
You already knew what it was. There we go. There we go. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. She ain't big as I thought she was, but she's still a good fish. Hold him up over the boat. Make sure I keep him held over the boat. Oh. That fish 11 inches.
Huh?
That fish 11 inches.
That's good fish.
Yeah. I'm seriously tripping, man.
Ain't like that too. No, let it alone. That's another good one.
She ain't as big as the last one, but she gonna
Make the cut.
she gonna stink up the grease.
Sure will.
She's a good.
Mm-hmm.
She's a good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I'm filming into the sun. I have to start showing them on that camera.
I don't understand. I just don't understand.
Feel anything different on your line, set the hook. I didn't even feel that fish.
I don't understand.
Did not feel him.
I truly don't understand. I'm trying to understand.
It ain't like you ain't in them. I'll tell you what, here. Let's do this, switch lines.
Huh?
You use this. Just see if it feels different to you. There's it right there. That's you falling right there. Okay, so you right in them right there. Oh, well, here's what probably the problem is.
What?
You got your handle on the wrong side.
Well, that went for me.
No, I'm just talking. All right, so you got your split shot on there. You got that's a 1/48 ounce. That's a 1/32 ounce jig, and that's okay. That might be what it is too.
This
Smaller bait presentation.
Soon, this on the wrong side for me.
Hold on, let me try that. Let me try this. Now I got this 1/48 ounce jig on here now, with 1 1/4 inch. 1 1/4. I got 1 1/4 on there. So that ain't mosquito. It's more like an M&M. It'll change color. called. It's the double. That's the double, folks. That's the double. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is a windy day. And it's one of those days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It's Drysdale. And I'm out here on Lake Oconee with
Tree.
We got some fish already in the boat, folks. You see, we got this double right here. We got double mint twins. One of the twin powers, activate. Ding, 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 ding. So, folks, it's windy out here. I hope my audio isn't too bad on this video, but the fishing is good. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale.
Let's go get them. Well, yeah, I see the difference now. I see it's a big difference in the line. So why you didn't tell me this before? So what kind of line is this?
That's braided. All right, you're gonna have to give me a minute because I don't have my phone on me. I'm talking on my watch. Got it? Oh! Hey man, you better get him over the boat. There you go.
I didn't even feel him hit. I think it's,
and look, you see, you was able to reel it in with your with the right hand. Fall right down there on. That one coming out. I was about to say that's a hook set right there, boy.
I felt him hit it. That's a big difference. That's nice. Yeah, that's a big difference. I felt it. I felt it.
You go ahead and keep using that one.
I don't want to use mine. I'm fishing with mine.
Oh, okay.
Figure it out.
I'm saying you can't change your equipment right now.
Okay. And the equipment make a big difference. God, I saw you coming at it.
When I'm sniper fishing for them, because I got to get it to fall in front of them faster. You don't have a lot of time. Okay. I didn't know you was even there. I didn't even know you was there, but I found out. I found out that I've been missing always on the rest. What is she saying? Shimmy of the day. Woo! Dude, that was a fish. Still a bunch more down in there? Well, all right, YouTube. That is going to wrap up another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Y'all can see, that's all of them.
That's all of them.
We put a nice little hurting on them today. Tree, thanks for coming out, man.
Man, thanks for inviting me.
Always appreciate the company.
Man, yes, I enjoyed it.
I'm sure
enjoyed it. Learned a lot today.
I'm sure glad I ain't got to clean these.
It's
So,
okay.
How many down there?
35.
35. We got one man limit. I'm glad he came, because if he wouldn't have came, I would only had 32. No. But folks, as always, folks, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel. I appreciate everybody who hits the like button and everybody that leaves those comments. My subscribers, you already know what it is. My long-term subscribers. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead, hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Tree.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
man,
sir.
Tell them your YouTube channel.
Fishingwithtree.com.
Fishingwithtree.com.
Yeah.
Fishing with Tree on
Fishing with Tree on YouTube. Be ready in about 2 weeks.
All right, good deal. Now that's gonna be a hunting and a fishing show.
Just the fishing.
Oh, just the fishing.
That's fishing.
Check out his channel.
Watch both.
I'm gonna be on there checking him out. I'll be on his channel as well. So remember, folks, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace.